Hello everyone, welcome to Tiara Homeo. This is Dr. Gowde from Goa, and today we will try to understand one more rubric, that is avarice. Avarice is a strong, excessive desire for wealth or material gain. It goes beyond simple greed. Some of the features or symptoms of the avarice person could be obsessive accumulation. They desire to get more regardless of how much they already have. There is no point in of satisfaction. There could be a stingy behavior. They don't want to spend. They want to achieve a misery attitude. There could be lack of empathy. They could be ruthless, unethical. They can do cheating or exploiting to gain wealth. There could be constant fear of losing wealth, which can make them anxious and suspicious. They can also prioritize wealth over relationship. Just having one of this rubric or symptom does not make that person avarice. Avarice is habitual behavior. If it is constant, then we can definitely use this rubric as avarice. Some similar rubric which you should try to differentiate along with avarice are anxiety business about, greedy, delusion wealth about, fear about poverty, rich to be desired, delusion wealthy he is, etc. Some common remedies and the most important remedies are arsenic alb, lycopodium, pulsatilla, sepia, bryonia, calcarea carb and calcarea floor. So now let's try to understand the differential materia medica and try to understand few remedies for avarice. First and very important remedy is arsenicum album. Why arsenicum album is avarice? Is because of the deep-seated insecurity and anxiety about the future. They are fearful. They are fearful of poverty and may hoard money and possession out of this fear. They can also be very meticulous and controlling about their belonging, and they are very disciplined. Next remedy is lycopodium. Lycopodium, he wants power and status. Because of this, he tries to accumulate more and more wealth. There is inner lack of confidence. He feels that if he gain more wealth, then he might show his power and boasting towards others. Bryonia is often seen in the context of business. They talk about business and try to save even small things. They are very irritable and desire for peace and quiet. They might be unwilling to spend money and share resources because it disrupts their comfort. Like shopkeeper, usually they are small business people like shopkeepers. Calcarea carb try to deposit or try to gain more and more wealth because he wants support, he wants security, and there is a need for material security. They might hoard money as a form of protection and feel very anxious about their financial stability. Calcarea floor is also similar, but there is fluoric component in it. So they want considerably a prestigious and valuable thing. They will go for the brand. Thank you very much for hearing this video till the end. Kindly like and subscribe this channel for further notification. Thank you.